guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be doing my saving challenges. I'm so excited for this video. I'm always excited to record these. For those that might be new, my saving challenges are strictly stuffed with rollover money, meaning every time I unstuff my envelopes the week of my next paycheck, the rollover that I have for my spending categories like eating out, compra, spending, and gas, I roll it over and I cash stuff my savings challenges. All right, so I'm going to see how much we're going to cash stuff today. And I don't know if I recorded my last video with this. I don't remember. I did a reel on my Instagram swapping out my old binder to this one. So let's just go ahead and see how much we are cash stuffing today. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 25, 35, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 148. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my first challenge. Okay, so here I have my iPad. I'm going to move this over to the side. That way we can start off with the challenges in the binder first. This is my new case that I purchased from Amazon. It has a little strap here, and it has a little section here that I can put paper or something. So yeah, it's great. I love it. I did not take a drink of my sparkling water. I've had this sparkling water for the last 3 videos. I am bulk recording right now because I am a little bit behind. So I'm just getting these videos done. So I only opened up this bubbly in my first video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip because I am so thirsty from all the talking that I've been doing for the past 3 videos. This is a delicious flavor. It's green apple. Okay, so the first challenge that we're going to do today is going to be the bowling challenge. So I don't know how much this is going to be, so we shall see. I'm going to go ahead and scratch off this one. Okay, so I scratched off a number 35. This challenge now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's 140. That is amazing. I believe this challenge is going to save me 500. Trying to see. Okay, let's do this challenge right here. I'm just trying to do the challenges here first, and then I'll switch over to my iPad. I don't want to go back and forth. So let me get my roll of dice. Okay, I'm going to roll the big dice, and that's how many times I'm going to roll the little dice. I don't remember which way I did it. I think last week I did the little dice first, and then it told me how many times I'm going to roll the big one. I don't remember the way I used to do it. But either way, I'm going to roll the big one. Wow, 5 times. Okay. I'm going to roll this dice 5 times. So we have a 5. 2, another 5, 2 more rolls, a 1. Oh no, I got a 6. That's what I get for rolling with my left hand. Okay, I think that was it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so before I forget which ones it was, I believe it was 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to cash stuff this envelope with $19. You know what? I'm gonna do I'm gonna put a 20 and then take $1 and put it back down. So this challenge now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 197. I'm going to go ahead and just double check that that is correct. I'll be right back. All right, so that is correct. Now we're going to go to the challenge back here, which is the Autumn's savings challenge. I'm going to put $20 in this, and I will fully completed this challenge. So I should have $100 in this envelope. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, and 100, and that is correct. All right, I have completed another challenge. So I'm going to be recording a video soon with my completed challenges. So I completed this one, and then last video I completed this one of 140. So far I have $240. Let's just go ahead and see what this challenge is right here. This challenge is between the month of October and December. I've already done 2. I did this one and this one. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. Okay, I wonder if I should just, no. All right, I'm gonna skip this one right now because I did 2 of them last week. You know what? I'm gonna stuff this envelope with $18 because why not? I know I can do this challenge in 3 months, but it doesn't hurt to be ahead of the game. So I'm gonna cash stuff this with 18. I'm gonna put the sticker there, that way I know that I've cash stuffed it with that amount. So now we have 10, 15, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31, 32, 33, and 34. All right, I'm going to swap out some of these 10s for some of these singles. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I'm going to get my iPad and we're going to do a few challenges in here. So this is the challenge that I created for my little Dustin. So I have his envelope in here. I'm not going to have like a separate savings challenge envelope. It's basically going to be money for his regular envelope. So today I'm going to save $20. So I will do this paw print right here. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I just started stuffing his envelope, so I need to make sure that he has all his necessities and everything that he needs. Okay, so that is that challenge. The next one I wanted to do was the bowling challenge. So I'm going to do, it's this one right here, the strike. So let me just turn this over. And this one, if I lose, I have to cash stuff. I think it's 10, and if I win, 15. So let me, if you tie, I'm gonna put 5. Ooh, what the heck? This is crazy. No. Let me put the pen back. This is gonna be 15, and if I lose, then it's 10. So where is my dice? I need to get 2 of my dice. So we have a 10. Does that mean anything? Let me see. No, it doesn't. It's if I do 11 or 12, they're gutter balls. Gutter balls. So that's 8, 7, 5, 9, 7, 7, 9, 7, and 8. All right, let me just add this up because I cannot add this up in my head. Okay, so that is 77. Now I'm going to roll the dice again to see who I'm going to be up against. So I have a 9, Kris. So I won, so I'm going to cash stuff it with $15. Okay, and that is in this envelope here called Bowling Challenge. Now this challenge has 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85. Okay, I have $21 left, so I did want to finish this $15 one here. So I know it's gonna take me a while to color this, so I'm gonna go ahead and color it, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I am back. I'm gonna cash stuff this envelope with $5. I thought I was gonna complete it this time around, but I didn't. That's okay. I still have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $30 to complete this challenge. So now Kris Print It challenges has 20, 40, 55, $60. I think that is it for this iPad today. I did want to stuff my dollar challenge, so I'm gonna just cash stuff 4 of these dollars. One, 2, 3, 4. And then the last $12 here, I'm going to cash stuff my mini savings challenge. This mini savings challenge is going to save me another $300. I've already completed this challenge once. So I'm going to add $12 to this challenge. So this challenge now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 105, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's $113. All right, that is it. I've cashed up everything. I have no money left. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. And if you're not ready to subscribe, do please consider subscribing. I hope you guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.